Could Bitcoin, the digital currency that has taken the world by storm, hold the potential to replace the US dollar? This is not a question posed by a crypto enthusiast or a futurist, but by none other than the tech billionaire and CEO of Block, Jack Dorsey. In the heart of Tuscany, Italy, Dorsey voiced his belief that Bitcoin could eventually replace the US dollar, citing its potential as a powerful and decentralized currency. His prediction comes at a time when Bitcoin and crypto prices have surged since their lows in 2022, sparking renewed interest and speculation in the crypto world. Dorsey, a longtime advocate for Bitcoin, has been a strong voice in the chorus of industry figures making bullish predictions on Bitcoin's future market capitalization. Alongside the likes of Chamath Palihapitiya and Cathie Wood, Dorsey forecasts a $1 million Bitcoin price by 2030. A key point made by Dorsey is the decentralized nature of Bitcoin. Unlike government-issued currencies, which are controlled by central entities, Bitcoin provides more control and free agency to its users. This unique characteristic sets Bitcoin apart from the traditional financial system's need for constant permission. Backing up his belief, Dorsey's company Block plans to invest 10% of its gross profit into buying Bitcoin every month. This move is seen as a nod to Bitcoin's potential and a testament to Dorsey's faith in the digital currency. The conversation around Bitcoin replacing the US dollar has gained momentum following a warning from the International Monetary Fund about a striking decline in the US dollar's share of allocated foreign reserves of central banks and governments. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve Bank of New York has outlined the narratives around declining dollar shares in official reserves and increasing roles for gold holdings by central banks. Dorsey's prediction echoes similar sentiments expressed by other industry figures. Former Billionaire and All-In podcast bestie Chamath Palihapitiya predicted Bitcoin could completely replace gold as countries adopt it, potentially pushing its market capitalization toward gold's $15.7 trillion. ARK Chief Executive Cathie Wood and Balaji Srinivasan, the former Chief Technology Officer at crypto exchange Coinbase, have also made headlines with their bets on Bitcoin's future value. In conclusion, the potential of Bitcoin to replace the US dollar is a topic of intense debate and speculation. But one thing remains clear: the belief in Bitcoin's potential is growing, and the voices advocating for its future are getting louder. Whether Bitcoin will indeed replace the US dollar remains to be seen, but for now, the future of Bitcoin appears to be as bright and as unpredictable as ever.